Hi. So by the end of this lesson on Fusion 360, you should end up with something that looks like this, a rendered toy puzzle, okay? So what we're going to go through is things like sketch dimensioning, rendering, and then show you how to export the DXF files, okay? So let's begin. You start off, remember there's a difference between sketch and model. So you're going to start off sketching, going to create a sketch first before you start building the model. So remember that's here, create sketch. Here's the different planes. You want to build on the bottom plane, so you click the bottom plane. Okay. Then you're going to use the rectangle function to create a square. So you see how the numbers start popping up. But what I can do, this particular model is going to be 90 millimeters. So I can just type in 90, press the tab button, it locks it, and then I'll press 90 again, and another tab button, and I've got both 90 degrees selected. I can click, and now it saves. I have my sketch at, 90 millimeters. Stop sketch, and now you can see I've got the drawing. Okay, remember from this, now I want to build up to create my model. So I'm out of sketch mode, and now I'm going to extrude. You can click the button, or you can press E, click on the drawing, and then you're going to extrude it up. Again, I can type in the dimensions instead of just pushing it randomly. This is going to be 10 centimeters thick, the piece of wood. Okay, so type in 10, and this I can just press enter. So here we go. I've got 10 centimeter thick wood. Okay? So remember the other thing that happens, these bodies are created, right? So because in my model I want to have 3 different bodies. So what I need to do is create a new body. And the way to do that, one way to do that, you can turn off this existing body and turn the sketch back on. Okay, so rather than going up on this one, I'm going to go down. So I'll extrude it again, click on the object, but instead of going up, I want to go down. But that means I have to change the dimension. See how there's a negative? So here, it's actually only going to be 2.5 millimeters, so negative 2.5. And then enter. Okay? Now I can turn this body back on, and you see that's the top. Okay? So the next step after I've got that is to start creating the hole that goes into the middle. So the way that I can do that, I can use this, the viewpoint, look at it from the top, and now I'm going to create a circle. So go to Sketch, Circle, Center Point, and here I want to find that middle. So, first select the plane. Now I'm going to find that middle. So see that X? It says center point, and then it gives me this dotted line. I'm not clicking anything. Then it does the same thing. Here's another dotted line as well too. Okay, so this, now you can see I've got that center point, the dotted line. I can make this bigger and bigger. For this hole, it's 55 millimeters. So enter, tab, click. Now it's finished. Okay, stop sketch, and you can see I've got my sketch right in the middle for the hole. Here's the bottom, here's the middle, and there's the sketch. Okay? So